Take two. Hey there, Jen Blanchard. It's day 15 of my 30-day video challenge. 30 videos of me answering 30 questions designed to make you feel smarter about the buying and selling process. My team, covers Basking and the surrounding areas, and we are pretty well connected. We've got a great network throughout the Garden State and even across the country. So let us be your resource when it comes to all things real estate. So day 15, halfway through, today's question is, are open houses necessary to sell my house? Do I have to do an open house? So I look at open houses as another tool in our tool belt. I know that some people feel that they are absolutely necessary, and there are some sellers who just don't want to have an open house. It's like a party at your house for 4 hours or 3 hours on a Sunday. Who wants all those people walking through? So regardless of how you feel about it, I can tell you that it is one additional tool that we have to get your property the most exposure possible. Advertising an open house gives us a little bit of a leg up on a property that doesn't have an open house. I see it as a way to get people in who may not otherwise come. So for example, if your house has 3 bedrooms and no basement, and my buyers are telling me I must have a basement, I might not show them your house. But they might be out on a Sunday afternoon, or they might be scouring the internet and seeing what's, for sale, and they may see you have an open house and they may like the way the house looks, so they go and they look at it. And then they decide they really like it, and they're like, Jen, how come you didn't show me that house? And I'm like, well, Stanley, you told me that you needed to have 4 bedrooms, and that house only has 3. Oh, that's okay. It has a sunroom that I can use as my office. Okay, so there is a perfect example of somebody who may not have seen your house if there had not been an open house there. Now, I can tell you that I probably would show Stanley your house, because a good agent would already know that Stanley doesn't really need 3 bedrooms. He just needs an office. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about open houses. Are they necessary? No. Are they another tool? Absolutely. Do I ever make you do one if you don't want to have one at your house? Never. That's it. I hope you have a great day. Oh, I want to say one more thing. Look how beautiful the sky is. Is that not the most beautiful blue? I love it. Anyway, listen, I hope you have a great day. Hopefully we'll talk soon.